We all want to achieve financial success, and who better to learn from than those who have already made it big? Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself goes beyond just acquiring knowledge. It's about honing your skills and developing a mindset of continuous improvement. Billionaires often engage in activities like attending conferences and networking events to expand their horizons and gain valuable insights from industry leaders. By surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals and experts in your field, you expose yourself to new ideas, perspectives, and potential collaborations. These connections can be instrumental in opening doors to lucrative opportunities and partnerships. Additionally, billionaires understand the importance of taking care of their physical and mental well-being. They prioritize self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By nurturing your physical and mental health, you can optimize your performance and make better financial decisions. Remember, investing in yourself is a lifelong journey. It's about continuously seeking personal and professional growth. So, make a commitment to allocate time, resources, and energy to investing in yourself, and watch how it transforms your financial trajectory. Tip number 2. Embrace calculated risks. When it comes to embracing calculated risks, billionaires understand the importance of thorough research and due diligence. They don't rely on gut feelings or blind optimism. Instead, they gather all the necessary information and seek expert advice to make informed choices. Before diving into any investment opportunity, take the time to conduct thorough research. Analyze the market trends, study the company's financials, and assess the potential risks and rewards. Seek guidance from financial advisors or mentors who have expertise in the field you're interested in. Diversification is another key aspect of embracing calculated risks. Billionaires understand the importance of spreading their investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions. This diversification strategy helps mitigate potential losses and increases the chances of overall portfolio growth. Remember, calculated risks don't guarantee success every time, but they offer a higher probability of favorable outcomes. By embracing these risks with careful analysis and diversification, you position yourself to seize opportunities that can lead to significant financial gains. Tip number 3. Think long-term. Thinking long-term is about shifting your focus from instant gratification to long-lasting success. It's about setting clear financial goals and having the patience and discipline to stay committed to them. Billionaires understand that building wealth takes time and consistent effort. They invest in assets that have the potential for long-term growth, such as real estate, stocks of stable companies, and well-established businesses. They understand that these investments may not provide immediate returns but can appreciate significantly over time. It's crucial to resist the urge to chase short-term gains or give in to market fluctuations. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Remember, time is your ally when it comes to investing. In addition to investment decisions, thinking long-term also applies to financial habits and planning. Billionaires often prioritize saving and budgeting for the future. They understand the importance of living within their means and avoiding excessive debt. Start by setting clear financial goals for the long term, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Then, create a financial plan that includes saving and investing strategies to help you achieve those goals over time. And that wraps up our final tip on thinking long-term. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, be patient, and make strategic decisions that align with your long-term goals. Incorporating these principles into your financial journey can help you achieve greater success and stability. That's it for today's video. I hope you find these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. See you next time.